Today on Southern Gardening, we're taking a closer look at one of the most dependable and stylish houseplants you can grow, Sansevieria, also known as snake plant or mother-in-law's tongue. There are dozens of varieties, each with its own personality. One of the most popular is Sansevieria Laurentii, a classic with tall, upright green leaves edged in golden yellow. It's a striking choice for brightening up a corner or adding structure to any indoor space. If you enjoy bold color, take a look at Golden Flame. This variety emerges with rich golden yellow centers that mature into thick arching leaves. It brings warmth and brightness to rooms, even in low light. For a more modern and sophisticated look, Silver Flame offers broad leaves with a silvery sheen and deep green edges. It's perfect for contemporary decor and adds a cool tone contrast to other houseplants. Sansevierias come in so many shapes and sizes. What makes them such all-stars is their durability. They tolerate low light, infrequent watering, and dry indoor air better than almost any other plant. Let the soil dry between waterings. Use a well-draining potting mix and don't allow them to sit in water. They're also excellent air-purifying plants, making them a great addition to homes and offices. So whether you choose Laurentii, Golden Flame, Silver Flame, or one of the many other beautiful varieties, Sansevierias are a stylish, easy care option for any gardener. I'm Eddie Smith. I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.